how to prepare for your CUET PG entrance examination. Now here we have taken a sample from geography. Across all subjects the methodology remains same. So what we have here is the list of topics. So let's say in geography there is geomorphology. Under geomorphology, what all topics you have to cover is something that we have mentioned here. Now as you proceed, you would understand, okay, these are the things that I must be familiar with. So the list of the topics are given here. Then you can understand, okay, then there are topics on denudation, geosyncline. Now all these are topics that you must cover on the physical geography or geomorphology itself. As you proceed, you would have topics from 2. So as you can see, the topic has changed to 2. That means it's a new topic. So far it was geomorphology, now it is climatology. So under climatology, it's temperature, pressure, winds as one of the topics. Within these, what are the things that you have to cover? So go through the list. If you already have the books, if you already have the reference, cover these topics from there. If you don't have the reference, you can check the topics here and cover these topics. But these are the topics that you must cover before appearing for CUET PG examination. Now with just 10 days left, it's again important to note, sometimes students say, I'm good at one topic, so let me cover that totally. No, that's not what we recommend. The simple reason being, when you are covering one topic, it can be a probability that questions come from, let's say, portions on statistics, portion on cartography, which is again an important portion. So if you scroll down here, you would see numerous topics which relate to India geography, which relate to, let's say, the types of maps, pie diagram, location, relief depiction, the various methods. Now, you might be familiar with what are contours, but you might have not heard what are hachures or hypsometric tints. Now, there can be a question on what is hypsometric tint. So, it's a good idea to make yourself acquainted with each of the term which is mentioned here. Rather than covering few topics in detail, it's a good idea to at least touch every topic and have a little familiarity with all the topics. Now, once you have covered these topics, another important recommendation that I would say here is to go for questions. So practice as many questions as you can. Now this was just an example from geography subject, but here is the complete list of subjects. For most of the subjects, you have the study material, the question banks. So the more number of questions you practice, a better insight you get into what kind of questions can actually come into examination. Specifically when there are numerical questions, it's a good idea to practice similar numericals to get an insight about what is the right strategy to prepare for the examination. So prepare well for your CUET UG examination. Here is the list of subjects which you can find helpful, and many subjects are coming in the next 2 days. So stay tuned with more updates on CUET PG. Wish you very good luck for your examination. Have a wonderful day ahead.